Looking for student accommodation in Sheffield? Look no further than Portland Tower Student Accommodation. Featuring a range of non-ensuite rooms designed to meet the needs of every student, Portland Tower offers a comfortable and convenient living space. Each room comes furnished with a cozy bed and features a balcony overlooking the scenic view. The shared kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, letting you cook delectable meals. Enjoy the convenience of free unlimited Wi-Fi, and accommodating hospitality and maintenance team, and excellent security, all without any extra bills. Situated just a short walk away from the University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University, Portland Tower puts you in the heart of student life. Plus, with the city centre, superstores, bars, and restaurants within easy reach, everything you need is at your fingertips. Need a caffeine boost before class? Head to Guard 2 Coffee Hide for a quick cup of coffee. And for longer journeys, the Glossop Road/Regent Terrace bus stop provides easy access to distant sites. Immerse yourself in Sheffield's vibrant culture while enjoying the comforts of your second home. Visit amberstudent.com to book your stay at Portland Tower Student Accommodation today.